Hey everyone, it's Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. I'm out here in Long Island, New York, and I'm actually in my backyard and just was in the mood for a hamburger. So I lit up the barbecue, lit the barbecue up, and I know we have about 2 feet of snow out here on Long Island. There's the pool. Shoveled my way out, and there's the patio furniture. But basically, I was in the mood for a hamburger, so I turned this bad boy on. I got it up to almost 450 right now, and let's cook some hamburgers. Put some hamburgers and some hot dogs on the grill. Those are actually Beyond Burgers. I guess I got some Sabret hot dogs here too. There you go. When I get hungry for some hamburgers and hot dogs, I just busted out the grill, even though it's about 30-something degrees out here. But guys, I'll be in Marco Island, Florida on Monday to Thursday. I'll be prospecting for some cars out there as well, and go look at a few cars down there I'm interested in. And stay tuned. Check out the barbecue. I'll have some good burgers. If you like barbecuing in the winter like I do, comment down below. Tell me what you want me to barbecue for you guys. I'd love everybody to come to Long Island. Check it out. Have a nice big pool party. Party on the deck. That's a pool house actually back there. Go down the slide, go on the diving board. Got the jacuzzi over there as well. Little volleyball court action here. I put a big slide for the kids. Hang on the deck. Big deck here. Pretty cool. Alright guys, please like and share this video. Please comment down below. Hit that bell notification. Jerry Metal Man Battaglia, making a barbecue out in 30-degree weather. Have a great day. See you down in Florida. Keep tuned, okay? Because I got some awesome cars coming up. Have a great day. Bye-bye.